Did you know that most cars are built to last well beyond 400,000 miles? Yet the average driver only keeps their vehicle for about 8 years? That's not because the car wears out, it's because drivers unknowingly make mistakes that destroy their cars early. But here's the kicker. With a few hidden maintenance secrets, you can make your car last decades longer while saving thousands in repairs. In this video, we are going to uncover 6 proven secrets to keep your car running like new for decades after the warranty expires. No expensive upgrades or fancy tools required. Let's get started. Secret number 1. Avoid aggressive driving and sudden braking. Do you love hard acceleration? But your engine hates it. Sudden acceleration, hard braking, and high-speed cornering put excessive stress on the engine, transmission, brakes, and tires. Frequent harsh driving increases wear and tear, reducing your car's lifespan. Driving smoothly and maintaining a steady speed reduces strain on mechanical components, improving fuel efficiency and reducing maintenance costs. Additionally, abrupt braking overheats the brake pads and rotors, causing premature wear. If you want your car to last longer, adopt a gentle and controlled driving style to minimize unnecessary stress. Secret number 2. Stick to the maintenance schedule. Every car comes with a manufacturer-recommended maintenance schedule, usually found in the owner's manual. This manual isn't just a suggestion book. It's a roadmap for keeping your car running efficiently and preventing costly breakdown. The core of the engine maintenance is regular oil changes. The engine oil keeps your engine clean and lubricated. If you delay oil changes, sludge and debris can accumulate, leading to clogged passages and increased wear. Most modern cars need an oil change every 5,000 to 7,500 miles, while some high-performance vehicles may require it more often. The routine maintenance also contains coolant change, tire rotation, brake inspection, air filter replacement, and checking belts and hoses. Many drivers ignore this schedule and wait until something breaks, leading to expensive repairs that could have been prevented. Skipping scheduled maintenance can cause fluid contamination, worn-out parts, and poor fuel economy, reducing your car's lifespan. Secret number 3. Flush and replace fluids on time. Your car runs on more than just gas and oil. It relies on a network of essential fluids to keep everything running smoothly. But here's the problem. Most drivers only think about oil changes and completely ignore the rest, letting their brake fluid, coolant, power steering fluid, and transmission fluid turn into sludge over time. Old or contaminated fluids lose their effectiveness, leading to overheating, poor lubrication, and possible engine failure. Want to make your car last longer? Flush and replace your fluids on time. Coolant should be changed every 30,000 to 50,000 miles to prevent overheating and corrosion. And brake fluid need to be replaced every 2 to 3 years. Regularly flushing and replacing these fluids according to your car's maintenance schedule helps prevent expensive repairs and keeps your car last long. Secret number 4. Use high-quality fuel and additives. Think all gasoline is the same? Think again. The quality of fuel you put into your car directly affects your engine's lifespan. Cheap, low-quality fuel contains fewer detergents and more contaminants, leading to carbon buildup in your fuel injectors and engine valves. Over time, this buildup chokes your engine, reducing performance, lowering fuel efficiency, and even causing misfires. Using top-tier gasoline with extra detergents keeps your engine clean and running smoothly, but there's an extra step that takes it even further. Every 5,000 miles, add a high-quality fuel system cleaner to your gas tank. This dissolves stubborn deposits, restores fuel economy, and keeps your injectors spraying like they did when the car was new. Some premium fuels already include these cleaners, but if you're using regular gas, a good additive is the cheapest way to protect your engine from costly repairs. Secret number 5. Inspect the suspension and steering system. A well-maintained suspension system ensures a smooth ride, proper handling, and even tire wear. Worn-out shocks, struts, and bushings can make the car feel unstable and increase stress on other components. If you hear clunking sounds, feel excessive bouncing, or notice uneven tire wear, it's time to check the suspension. Ignoring these problems can lead to alignment issues, poor braking performance, and costly repairs. Regular inspections and using high-quality replacement parts help extend the life of your suspension system and improve overall safety. Secret number 6. Don't ignore warning lights. Ignoring dashboard warning lights is one of the biggest mistakes you can make. This can turn small issues into costly repairs that could cut your car's life short. When that check engine light turns on, it's not just a nuisance. It's your car's way of telling you something is wrong, whether it's a small issue like a loose gas cap or something much more serious, like a failing catalytic converter or a misfiring engine. The longer you drive without addressing the issue, the worse it gets. What starts as a minor repair can quickly spiral into a major breakdown that leaves you stuck on the side of the road, costing you hundreds or even thousands of dollars. So, the best way is whenever you see the warning light, get it checked out immediately, even if you think the car seems fine. A quick scan at an auto parts store or a visit to a mechanic will often save you big money in the long run and can prevent small issues from turning into massive headaches. That's all for today's video. Follow these 6 secrets, and your car will outlive everyone else's. Which tip surprised you the most? Drop a comment below. And don't forget, subscribe to the channel to fuel up the confidence. See you in the next video.